Welcome to this 3-minute meditation for creativity. Make yourself comfortable and allow your body to settle and relax. Close your eyes if that feels good and take a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully. Again, inhale deeply and exhale fully, letting go of any tension or resistance. Bring to mind the space just behind your forehead, your mind's eye. Imagine this space as a blank canvas, open and ready. With each breath, feel it clearing, becoming lighter, brighter, and more spacious. And if you have other thoughts coming to mind, just let them float by. Visualize a soft golden light flowing down into your head, your chest, and your hands. This light carries creative energy, warm, playful, and inspiring. Let it fill your whole body, awakening your imagination. As you breathe, silently repeat, "Creativity flows through me. New ideas come with ease." Allow any images, colors, words, or feelings to drift into your awareness. Just notice them. There's no need to force anything. Simply be open and receptive. Trust that creativity is always within you, waiting to be expressed. Know that creativity will always come when you need it. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any remaining blocks. Feel yourself open, light, and ready to create. Open your eyes gently and carry the spark of creativity into your day.